Let's take a look at Tanjong Katong Girls Prelim 2022 Paper 1 Question 2b. The value V of a car decreases exponentially so that its value t years after 1st January 2001 is given by V equals to AE power of negative 0.1104 t, where A is a constant. The initial value of the car was 70,000. Mary intends to sell her car when the value falls below 42,000. Determine with working if Mary will sell her car in the year of 2005. Now, looking at the question there, I have highlighted the important information. Let's start with this equation here. And the word initial value is 70,000. That means that we are going to insert t value as 0 and v value as 70,000. So let me insert v as 70,000 and t value as 0. So 0 multiplied by this, you will get the e raised to a power of 0. That will give you a 1. So A value now, we know that it got to be 70,000. And let me write the expression again. For V, it's going to be 70,000 e raised to negative 0.1104 t. Now let's take a look at second part of the question. We need to determine when the value falls below 42,000 to answer the question whether Mary will sell her car. So let's take this one here and put below 42,000. Less than 42,000. Let's solve this inequality over here. So first step, let me bring this one to the right hand side and do a division. So left hand side, I have e raised to the power of negative 0.1104 t. Less than, I'm going to click my calculator, 42,000 divided by 70,000. I have my answer as 3 over 5. Let me now take ln both sides. And the next step, I'm going to divide by a negative number. So you be a bit careful. Let's switch the sign of inequality when we are dividing by a negative number. And I'm going to click my calculator now that I will realize that I will have the answer as 4.63. Now, I'll highly encourage you to do a checking. So I'm going to check t as 4 and 5 and put into the v. So I'm going to do a checking now. What's the value of the car at t equals 4 and t equals to 5? Let me look at my calculator. So first answer, I have 45,010. And the other one, I will have 40306. Let me also write down when will this happen. Since t equals to 4 and t equals to 5, and we know that we start on the 1st of January 2001. Adding 4 years to this is going to be a 1st January 2005, and this one is going to be 1st January. Adding 5 is going to be 2006. Now, notice that Mary will sell her car if the value falls below 42,000. On the 1st of January is way below, so which means it will fall below 42,000 somewhere in the year of 2005. So therefore, yes, Mary will sell her car. So it's going to explain because the price falls below 42,000 in 2005. Okay, I'm just add one more explanation there to explain why Mary will sell her car.